Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 4th January 2022. Today's topic name is List in Java. So, firstly, we talking about what is list. List is a in Java provided the list facility for maintaining the uh, ordered collection. It contains the index based methods to remove, delete, add elements in the list. List have included duplicate elements also. The duplicate elements stored in null elements list. It extend the collection interface. The list interface is found in the Java util package and inherits the collection interface. The implementation classes of list interface are array list, linked list, stack, and vector. So basically, array list and linked list are available in and used in Java programming. Array list are used in Java programming. The basic operations are performing array list in Java. Uh, the basic operations are performed in methods array list such as add element, remove element, delete element. Then we discuss about methods are then we discuss about which types of classes are included in list. First one is a array list, second one is a linked list, third one is a stack list, and fourth one is a vector list. Then we discuss about methods in Java list. So first one is a talking to add method. Add method is used to insert a specific element at a specific position index in a list. Then second one is a contains method. Contains method returns true if this list containing the specific element. Then third one is a add all. This method is used to add all the element in the given collection to the list. Then fourth one is a size method. So basically size method are used to return the size of the list. Then second, clear method. Clear method is used to remove all the elements in the list. Then remove method. Remove method removes on elements from the specific index. Then get method. This get method returns element at the specific index. Then set method. Set method replaces element at the given index which the new element added. Then equal method. The equal method is used to compare equality of the given element which the store element of the list. Then last one is a empty method. This method is used to check if list is empty or not. That's all about today's topic, list in Java. Thank you.